Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna have to do something to the wheel horse because the return spring for the clutch broke on it. As y'all saw in the previous video, I decided today that I was gonna mow the entire property, or try to, and I was gonna use the John Deere to do it because the wheel horse was down. And about halfway through the property, the tire goes flat. Now we are down all mowers. We have nothing to mow with. This has to be fixed, but today's Monday, July the 4th. Nothing is open today, not even our shop. So I think I'm going to take the wheels from the Husqvarna and put them on here until I can get this tire repaired or replaced. Alright, so we got the tires on there. Now, I'm going to try and finish mowing this place before anything else fails if it happens. Alright, so I have officially finished the entire property. So I started at 8 o'clock and finished at, I think it was 1:55. So that was about 4 or 5.5 hours of work. Not continuously, obviously. I got a lot done. I'm very pleased. Alright, so it is the next day, and I have decided that we are going to go get some new tires today. And also, I'm going to try to find the spring for the wheel horse, because, you know, the return spring for the clutch broke. First, I got to get the parts and then get that tire size. And actually bring the tires with me, too. I don't need to forget those, so they can mount them. Alright, so we got everything in there. Let's do some driving. Alright, so that's kind of what I was expecting. They said that they could order the tires, but they wouldn't be here until tomorrow because it's 2 o'clock now. It's getting toward the end of the day over here. We're going to have to do it tomorrow, I guess. The next thing we're going to do is run down to Revel Ace, and we're going to get a new spring for the wheel horse. One of my favorite places to go, Revel Ace Hardware. We've been here 100 times, as we probably know it already. So I'm not having very good luck finding exactly what I needed. This is the closest one that I could find. It's the right width. Not that that really matters, but it's just a little bit shorter than the older one, or a good bit shorter. And the clutch would be very stiff with this spring. But this is the closest spring I could find that was the right size. And the next one up is like this long, which is obviously not going to work. I'm going to just keep looking around a little bit more. I may ask for some assistance and see if I can get one a little closer than this. If not, this will just have to do. Alright, so didn't have any luck finding anything else, so we're just going to try this one, the one that I said was kind of short. Alright, so we got the springs. I'm back home, but I don't think I should try to install anything right now because there is thunder that way, and it's coming over here. And most likely there's rain in it as well. Luckily everything's under the garage, so I don't have to do anything to prepare for it. Alright, so we're trying to get this tire broken down. It's proving to be quite a pain. I may have to hold it while I do this. So it looks like the tire that went flat actually had a tube in it. And look at all the rust on it. The inside of the rim is even worse than that. But that's bad. Alright, so we got the tires mounted, tubeless. No leaks, obviously. Can't wait to put them on the John Deere and give it a test. Alright, here we are. Alright, so we got the new tires on the John Deere. Everything's in the correct place. So now, let's get this clutter out of here, and then we'll look at the wheel horse. Well, what can I say? They work as they should. These tires look a little bit smaller than the other ones did, but I think they look better. So now we're gonna see if this spring will work with this. I sure hope it will. Alright, so I managed to jerry-rig something and use some of the old spring with the new one. The new spring is a little bit too tense and it's not long enough. So I had to kind of do something here. Let's see if it works. I sure hope it don't snap. Alright, now we can drive the wheel horse again. I don't really trust the spring setup too much, because I'm pretty sure this is not going to hold up very long. But at least we can drive the wheel horse, so. So it looks like another part on the wheel horse has failed, and that is this linkage that lifts the deck up. That's why I was having so much trouble backing up on that board there. It's because the deck was too low to the ground. I'm gonna see if I can find that linkage online. If they have it brand new, or at least something, I don't know. And if I can't, I may have to get someone to weld it. I don't weld, I don't know a thing about welding, but I know somebody who can probably weld that for me. What'll happen to that in the next video. This video we also did the 2 front tires, which by the way are performing very well, as they should be. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos of my lawnmowers breaking down all the time, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And I will see you in the next one, which is coming very soon. I'm going to start uploading more often. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.